Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're about to get translations that work even without reliable data. First, open Google Translate and download the offline language packs you'll need. This saves data and ensures instant results. Once done, grant microphone and camera access so you can speak, point, or scan signs. Make sure auto updates are allowed so features stay current. These quick steps get you ready. Now move to live modes that let you communicate fast and confidently while traveling. You'll use conversation to speak naturally. Choose your languages, press the mic for your side, and let the app auto-detect pauses. If the other person speaks, the app captures and translates both voices in sequence. This avoids talking over each other. For signs or menus, point the camera and choose Instant for live overlay or Scan for higher accuracy. If characters are unfamiliar, switch to handwriting or transcribe to capture longer speech. These modes cover most real-world interactions efficiently. Finish by storing frequent phrases in your phrasebook so you can access them offline. This speeds up repeat requests like directions or meals. Before speaking or scanning, double-check the language direction to avoid reverse translations. When you finish, close background tabs to save battery. If translations fail, make sure permissions are enabled, clear the app cache, or apply updates. These steps usually restore mic or camera access. This one troubleshooting tip gets you back on track fast while traveling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.